Welcome to Slide Bazaar's PowerPoint for Pros, a series focused on helping you become better at PowerPoint. In this video, we'll explore the importance of organizing content in your presentations and provide you with actionable tips to ensure your presentations are clear, engaging, and impactful. Before we begin, I highly recommend checking out Slide Bazaar's free PowerPoint add-in if you want to improve your PowerPoint productivity. Get templates, themes, charts, icons, and more, all within PowerPoint without having to look anywhere else. Check out the links in the description to learn more about the add-in. Let's get started. Content organization is crucial for effective presentations. When content isn't well organized, your presentation can become confusing. A well-organized presentation takes your audience on a journey, ensuring they grasp your message and remember key points. Start by defining your core message. What is the one key takeaway you want your audience to remember? Center your presentation around this core message. You must also understand your audience and determine the desired outcome of your presentation while creating the content for your presentation. I will go over this topic in detail in another video, so leave a comment if you'd like to see that. Once the content is ready, here's how you can organize it in your presentation. To start off, you can divide the slides in your presentation into sections. This helps you organize your content better and gives you a better idea of where you are in your presentation, especially if you've got a ton of slides. To get started, right-click the space between two slides on the slide outline view and click on Add Section. Rename the section to whatever you want and do this for all the sections in your presentation. You can even rename these sections later on by right-clicking them. You can also move them around and collapse or expand them. One great thing about creating these sections is that you can use the outline view to get a bird's eye view of your content. Go to View and click on Outline View to see all your slides, neatly arranged as per the sections you have created. This view is great when you're trying to organize your slides. When filling your slides with content, be sure to check out the layouts available by default in PowerPoint. Go to Home and click on Layout to see the available options. Choose the one that suits your slide the best, make changes, and quickly set up your slides in minutes. Make sure all your slides have a visible title and make sure you format these titles as well. It's also great to have a visual hierarchy in your slides. Choose a font size for your titles and paragraphs and stick to them throughout the presentation. Remember, when organizing content in your presentation must have a strong introduction and a conclusion. For an introduction, make sure you have an impressive title slide and intro slides such as table of contents, about us, our team, etc. And for a conclusion, you can have slides to summarize the presentation, conduct a Q&A session, or just have a slide saying thank you. You can create these slides from scratch or check out these templates linked in the description. After you have added content onto your slides, quickly go through them again to ensure they are not overloaded with too much text and other elements. Also be sure to group related slides together under relevant subheadings. These are some ways you can organize content in your PowerPoint presentation. Be sure to spend some time organizing your content and your presentations will become much more impactful. Well, that's all for now. Don't forget to check out Slide Bazaar's free PowerPoint add-in to improve your presentation creation experience. The links are in the description. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.